Summit Credit Union is launching its 18th year of Project Money. 4 teams have partnered with their Summit financial coaches to save more, reduce debt, and take control of their financial future. Let's get started.
My name is Heather and I am from Sun Prairie. I am a single parent to 2 children. I have a 19-year-old daughter and an 8-year-old, almost 9-year-old son. I feel lucky that I have a great job and I can provide a life for myself and my children, but I feel like I consistently make the same types of decisions with credit. I use it as an extension of my income, and then I'm in debt, and then I pay it off, and then I'm in debt again, and I pay it off. It's like one or the other for me. I can either have savings or I can have no debt. Breaking out of that cycle is, I know it's going to be hard. I'm really committed to making these changes for myself, but also for my children. With that type of approach to something, like, I'm going to be successful.
Head to summitcreditunion.com to follow along and start building your own financial strategies.